Hi guys, what a crazy day do we have right now here in in the crypto space, and especially what happened to Bitcoin. The title is no clickbait. I will talk about this in a second. So, but first of all, if you enjoy these emergency updates, please subscribe to the channel and also activate the notification bell. And now, without any further ado, let's have a look what actually happened here to Bitcoin. So I'm here on the 4-hourly chart. So, and if you remember and you watched my video yesterday, I had said that we are most likely here in a diamond pattern, and that everybody who draw the diamond pattern like this got it wrong. So, and here you see that I was actually correct with that. So the diamond pattern here, the way how I draw it, played exactly out as I had also told you guys if we would break to the downside. So, and we have met here the technical target at it was at $53,400. So congratulations to everyone that was able to short this and making some bank here. Let me know in the pinned comment below if you were able to catch this trade. I would like to know. So, and but what happened afterwards was that we just did not stop to drop here. So, and now we also flipped here this former support zone again into resistance, but the price got for now supported after this massive drop all the way down, and that is crazy here, all the way down to $42,000. So we saw here a massive bounce, a lot of support coming in here from this support area that is also supporting us right now, from 34,000 all the way up to 46,700. So now, like I said, we are just sitting here and have to see what the next hours are having for us in the cards, because technically it could still happen that we break here lower. So, but because we saw here already such a massive bounce back to the upside, I think the worst is actually over for now. So, but like I said, it doesn't mean that we cannot here consolidate a little bit and see one more move to the downside. But in my opinion, that is not a really likely outcome right now. So especially as long as we stay here now above our support zone. So, but we also obviously broke here out of this falling broadening wedge, so which was a little bit unexpected. So everybody was betting on that when we get back to the bottom here of it, that we get a massive bounce here back to the upside, and instead everybody got caught off guard, and it broke way lower and liquidated over $2 billion in long positions. So now when it comes to my personal trade, I saw some comments, oh, you got liquidated, you got wrecked, blah blah blah. No, sorry guys, I have to disappoint. I was closing my trade when I saw here this break. So I was closing it, so I got out with a really tiny loss. I think it was something like 0.1 Bitcoin or something like this. So nothing crazy. So I took there a small hit, but obviously it prevent me from much further losses. And now actually I have a new trade open. So I longed this bounced here back to the upside. So I'm here already in massive profits of 83%, 0.4 Bitcoin, almost $20,000 that I am banking here right now on this bounce here. So I will leave that trade running, because it could be that we have seen here already, like I said, the bottom of it. And if that's the case, then obviously I will leave that open for quite a while. If not, if we get back to the downside, then I have also here already a stop loss. So, and that will give me at least here 0.26 Bitcoin in profit. So this trade is already risk-free. In any case, I walk home with profits on this trade. So then guys, if you also want to take advantage of this high volatility right now, obviously be careful, but if you want, then you can also go to Bybit or to Phemex with the links in the pinned comment below. there you get still sign up and deposit bonuses if you use my links. So now let's get back into Bitcoin, because I know a lot of you guys are actually also wondering what will happen now in the immediate short term. So for once, I want to say we are still in a bull market. I will show you proof in a second. Yeah, so here you can also see on the daily chart, obviously we broke here out of this bigger falling wedge to the downside, but here comes the but now. It can happen, so it doesn't have to be, but there is a chance that this here was just a massive fake out to the downside, and that the next candle will actually then have the real breakout here out of this falling wedge, and that we then actually go here in direction of the technical target. So this possibility is really slim, but it is on the table. We should for now not rule this out just yet. So in the next 2 days, this could be still happening. So, but we have obviously now to see, yeah, how things are unfolding. So now I want to show you proof why we are not in a bear market yet. So, and for this, I go here on the weekly chart. So here on the weekly chart, you can see we have here this massive uptrend line that we are holding. So we come sometimes down to this line like we did here to test this line, and also we came down here and here. But every time when we get close to the line, we get a massive run afterwards to the upside, also here. So, and I had told you a couple days ago, even if we come to this upward slope, to this parabolic curve here on the weekly chart, I would expect a bounce from this line, and that we then continue trading higher. So, and for now, just for now, that is exactly the case. So you can go back, it was I think 3-4 days ago where I was talking about this, that in case if we ever come down to this line, that we will not break it. So, and that we will just see a bounce from there and then continue to trade higher from here. So as long as this line is holding, there is, in my opinion, no reason to be fearful when it comes to the bull market. So the bull market is still intact. We are still technically in a bull market. So, and of course, we have sometimes these crazy moves here to the downside. So when we are looking here from where we dropped, so we dropped here like from 57, now all the way down here to 42, yeah, so more or less. So it was more or less a 27% drop here that we experienced. So if we take it from the top, then it was a 40% drop. So, but we should not forget these drops are not that unusual. So if we take here the last top and we go here to this low point, so we had here a 56% drop from the top before we bottomed out, and yeah, then went higher. So then also when we went here, oh wow, so here from this top to the low point before we had a run again, that was also 31.6%. So then here, come on. So here that was obviously the Corona drop that was a little bit severe, more severe than other drops. So that was 63%. So that we cannot really take for measurement. So, but what we can do is we can take this one here. So, but that was a small one. So that was also 20%. So you see these drops there in a range of an average 20 to 40%. Nothing out of the norm yet. So if we would drop further, so and we would get over, let's say, the 45% mark, then I would actually get concerned. Especially if we would break here under $35,000, then we break massive support here on the macro structure, and then only then we would technically then go into a bear market. So, but that is something I just don't see it happening for now. Guys, I want to talk about a really amazing project for all NFT fans and Metaverse fans out there. So this is today's sponsored part of the video. It's called Terra Virtua. So, and Terra Virtua is a marketplace for NFTs, so you can also create collections. They have also their own token for the ecosystem. So, and what they are doing is they are allowing you within the metaverse to have an art gallery. So where you can then have an exposition of all your pieces and from other people too. Also here you see they have collectibles here out of movies. They have here Godzilla, Pacific Rim, Lost in Space, then here V-Flag. You can use these pieces also to trade them here on the marketplace, and also experience here some of your collectibles in the fan cave and the Terra Dome that Terra Virtua has within their own augmented reality. So you can enjoy this on Windows, on Google Play, and also on Apple iOS. So so it's for mobile and for computer available. So when we're getting now into the token, first of all, I want to say, so this project is actually also backed by an Indian soccer league. So they have major backing. So, and when we're looking now here at the token, so what you can do with the Kollekt token, so you can stake this, you can farm, you can get rewards. So, and it will allow you also to create things. So it is right now already listed on Binance. TVK is the acronym for the token. So you can trade it with BUSD, BTC, or USDT. So here you see what you can do with the Kollekt token. So it's the fuel of Terra Virtua, opening up a whole world of privileges, experience, and opportunities. So we take the best of what's out there and wrap it into one amazing social fan-centric ecosystem. Over time, we'll be rolling out features, including, so here you can become part of a prestige club, you can get special rewards, so you can also farm the TVK token, so and there you can also then exclusively farm tradable NFTs. They are only available on Terra Virtua and nowhere else. So, and also create, so here you can craft your own digital collectibles and fan tokens using our Terraformer tools. So turbocharge your brand or monetize your creation and skills on their own platform. So, and because they are bringing so many things that are right now hyped up together, there is a possibility that we will see actually a jump in the token price in the near future. So because they are matching everything out of the NFT space with the metaverse and also with the DeFi space. So, and creating a universal platform that are actually right now not that many out there. So you can go in the description. There you find all the links to Terra Nova, to their Twitter, to the website, and so on. And definitely check this out. So now let's get here one more time back into Bitcoin. So because I want to see what's happening here. So yeah, my trade is here slightly performing better right now. So then let's have a quick look also on the Bitcoin dominance. I did not have a look at this before I started the video, so I definitely want to check this out. So here is something crazy. So the Bitcoin dominance actually took here a further hit to the downside, so which is midterm really good for us, because remember, I had told you guys yesterday, when we see a break here of 40.89%, that we would definitely see here a massive altcoin season. So this is not off the table. The only problem is when we see now altcoins running here because of this drop, they will first of all catch up what they lost because of the Bitcoin drop. So that's why the percentage gains will in the immediate short term look really crazy, but they're actually only regaining what they have lost because of the drop. So, and once they break even, then we have to see if the dominance is then further dropping, what I'm anticipating, and then we will start making the real gains for everybody that was holding on during this drop on and their coins. So obviously, if you are on the sideline with some cash, now is a really good opportunity to get in a lot of altcoins and take advantage of the incoming bounce that we might see here pretty soon. So so I'm definitely looking forward to let this trade here run, my $216,000 trade here. So, and waiting for the next $2 million trade, and hopefully this time I will have a little bit more luck. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you will never miss on these important Bitcoin updates. And you know it already, guys. Leave a comment below and I will see you tomorrow.